Welcome to Minute Code Magic. In this session, we'll uncover key factors to consider when choosing a programming language for your projects. Let's explore how project goals, ease of use, and community support guide your choice. Knowing your project's domain is crucial. Different languages excel in different areas. For web development, JavaScript and Ruby shine. Despite Python's popularity in many domains, its primary web framework, Django, sucks. It just sucks. Sorry, but somebody has to say it. The ORM is the worst part. For a smoother start, Ruby on Rails provides an easier alternative. If you decide to use Ruby for backend development, remember you'll still need JavaScript for front-end work. So, JavaScript is essential for a complete web application stack. Consider how easy the language is to learn and use. Python's straightforward syntax makes it ideal for beginners, especially if you just want to learn basic programming concepts outside of a web environment. However, its web development environment may not be the easiest to start with. Haskell. Use it only if you're the smartest in the room all the time, and you already knew you needed to use it before you watched this dumb video. As a joke, you should use Java if somewhere already uses it. But seriously, newer versions of Java are better at high-level functional programming. Originally, Java was a systems programming language like C++ and was to be kept simple, the same philosophy as Go. But in the past 15 years, it's been mostly used for large-scale data processing. If you need to do large-scale data processing and you want the speed that Java or Scala can offer, then use it instead of Python. While JavaScript is considered high-level and relatively easy to learn, especially since it's used for the web, it forces you to learn more advanced concepts early on, like asynchronous programming, which is necessary in the browser to make significant progress. The availability of libraries and frameworks can significantly impact development efficiency. Python literally supports almost every domain outside of low-level systems programming. It excels at integrating or gluing different technologies together due to being one of the first languages supported for a multitude of APIs. JavaScript is indispensable in web development, thanks to frameworks like React. And in large-scale data processing, languages like Java and Scala are typically supported first. An active language community means better resources and help. Languages thriving on forums like Stack Overflow offer abundant support. Generally, the more popular the language, the stronger the community. This is where languages like Ruby, Python, and JavaScript are great. They all have significant community support and are generally swamped with beginners who have similar questions. Performance is key in certain applications. C++ offer low-level opportunities for optimization. Rust ensures memory safety combined with speed. Go is known for its rapid execution, making it excellent for concurrent applications. These languages are designed for and better suited for systems programming, like building a database or an operating system itself. C and Go are particularly good to learn as a beginner in a classroom setting or a structured course, but not ideal for getting quick results as a beginner. Comparing Ruby and JavaScript in web development, both have their strengths. Ruby on Rails offers a simple way to handle the backend. However, JavaScript is necessary for any dynamic front-end work. If you want to stick to one language both in the browser and on the backend, JavaScript is the way to go, despite its sometimes vomit-inducing backend environment. You can manage with Ruby on Rails for simple sites, but to achieve dynamic capabilities in the front end, JavaScript will be required. Go sucks, use Rust. If you want to do web programming, you must learn JavaScript no matter what. If you want a good time on the back end, then you must also learn Ruby. If you don't want to do web programming, and especially if you want to do data, then use Python. If you want to learn high-performance system-level programming, you should just learn Rust to start. If you need to do large-scale data programming, consider Java or Scala. C# is ideal if you're beginning in game development. However, you have to use Windows. Womp womp. And again, if you were curious about a language not on this list, you probably had your mind made up already. As always, thanks for viewing. Please like and subscribe for more programming tips.